number 226. Right, lamai question number 226. Following information relates for the manufacturing business ending 31st March 2024. WIP closing 20,000. Use direct material 6,000. A simple question. Direct labor 4,000. Manufacturing overhead 4,000. The manufacturing cost of above is above good is right. Right, lamai goods right. The manufacturing cost of above good right. Lamai manufacturing cost. How much the manufacturing cost? Easy question. Lamai easy question. Kau ada ni answer. Answer kau ada ni. Answer 7 plus kala. Right. Amani. Right. Amani 8,000. Right. Now what about others? What about others? Manufacturing cost of the product. How to calculate manufacturing cost? Simple question. Simple question. Right. Lamai question number 226. Used material 6,000. Used material 6,000. Direct labor 4,000. And then manufacturing overhead 4,000. Manufacturing overhead 4,000. Opening work in progress plus 14,000. Closing work in progress minus 20,000 minus 20,000 minus. Okay. Simple question. How much? How are the total production costs? 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 14,000 minus 20,000. Yes, 8,000. Manufacturing cost 8,000. Manufacturing cost 8,000. Clear, Ushana? Clear. Clear. Manu, clear. Correct. Right. Question number 226. 8,000. Right. Come on. Question number 227. Question number 227. 227. Question number 227. 227. 227. Right. Total membership fee income and membership fee received by cash. Right. Now my question number 227. What is the answer? Total membership fee income. Membership fee income and membership fee received by cash. Received in cash. Right. Now my membership fee income. Right. How much the answer? Right. Now my total membership fee income how much? Income, I got one of the answer from Amani. And right. I got one of the answer from Amani. Fee income and received amount in cash. How much? Ushana kiye dene Ushana. හදලා තියෙනවනේ දැන් මම ඒක විලාසින් කිව්ව හදලා තියාගන්න කියලා. දැන් ටික ටික ළමයි MCQ ඇඩ්වාන්ස් වෙනවා මේකෙන් පස්සේ මේවත් එක්ක. කොහොමද දෙන්නේ? මේ income right. I got one of the answer from Amani. Income and received amount in cash. right. Late reply කියන්නේ මම හිතන්නේ හදලා නැහැ. right බලන්න ළමයි question එක බලන්න. අනිවාර්යෙන් paper එක ළමයි හදන්න කිව්වා හදන්න ඉඳී නැත්නම් අපරාධ time එක. Following information is relevant for Hero Sports Club for the year ending 31st March 2024. Right. Receivable membership fee. ළමයි figures are in 1,000. This is 1,000 figures. මේ ළමයි 1,000 figures එක දීලා තියෙනවා. Okay. Receivable membership fee opening 100, closing 120. Right. Receivable membership fee. Membership fee received in advance opening 50, closing 40. Closing 40. Subscription account. Subscription account. Opening receivable 100. Closing receivable 120. Closing receivable 120. Opening received in advance 50. Closing received in advance 40. Closing received in advance 40. Right. Lifetime membership fee. Right. Opening balance 800. Life membership fee. Life membership fee. Life membership fee. Opening balance 800. Opening balance 800. Life membership fee opening balance 800. Okay. right lamai opening receivable, closing receivable, opening receivable, closing receivable. Okay, then clear. Opening receivable, closing receivable, opening received in advance, closing received in advance. Okay, right lamai life membership fee, opening receive opening balance 800, opening balance 800, life membership fee, right. There were 100 members, there were 100 members, there were 100 members in the sports club as at 1st April 2023, and 10 members are lifetime members. There were 100 members. Out of 100 members, there were 100 members at the sports club, and 10 members are lifetime members. Out of the above 100, 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 2023, while the annual member subscription per member is 10,000. Lifetime members were recruited on 1st April 2017, and it has been decided to recognize 10% from the above members subscription as annual income. Annual income. There were 100 members at the sports club as at 1st April 2023. Right, Lamai, can you write down Lamai here? Right, Lamai, can you write down? There were 100 members at the sports club as at 1st April 23, and out of that 10 members are lifetime members. Lamai input hadagan out of that 10 members are lifetime members. Input hadagan. Okay, as at 1st April 23, and out of that 10 members are lifetime members. Okay, 10 members are lifetime members. Out of the above 100, 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 23, right? 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 23, while the annual member subscription were is 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Lifetime members were recruited on 1st April 2017, right? Right. Okay, they have 100 members. Out of 100 members, 10 members lifetime members. We change the question. Now we change it. Put a question change kara. Total members 100. Out of 100 members, 10 members are lifetime members. 10 members are lifetime members. Lifetime members. Okay, 10 members are lifetime members, and then out of 100, 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 23, while the annual member subscription per member is 10,000. Right, out of balance members 90, out of that 90, 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 23 at the beginning of the financial year. Lifetime members were recruited on 1st April 2017, and it has been decided to recognize 10% from the above subscription as annual income. 10% annual income. Okay, right. Calculate the member subscription income including lifetime membership fee for the year with the right. Now, membership fee income. Now, how are the membership fee income? Now, normal members in 19 now. Out of that 100, 5 new members were recruited. Right. 100 members as a right. 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 23, while the annual membership fee subscription right. Now, it's a method. Out of the above 100, 5 new members right. Now, it's a method. 90 members into 10,000. 90 members into 10,000 annual membership fee. 90 members into 10,000 annual membership fee income. Annual membership fee income. Income of normal members. තමයි normal ගන්න පුළුවන් 90 to 10,000. Out of that 100, 5 new members were recruited on 1st April 23. Okay, කොහොමද කරන්නේ ළමයි? කියන්නේ අපි මෙතන 19 නවා. Out of that 90, sorry, මේකේ තමයි 5 members 1st April තමයි join වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. අපිට ඒක issue එකක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ කොහොමද? එහෙනම් මෙන්න 19 to 10,000 කීය දෙන්නේ? 19 to 10,000 ළමයි කීය දෙන්නේ? 19 to 10,000, 900,000. 900,000. 900,000. 19 to 10,000, 900,000. ළමයි මෙන්න 900,000 transfer income statement 900. Transfer income statement 900. Transfer income statement 900. 900. Okay. Okay ළමයි. income statement transfer කරනවා 900. ළමයි ඊට පස්සේ මෙන්න බලන්න. ළමයි මේකෙන් ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන් membership fee received in cash. Membership fee received in cash වලින් ගන්න පුළුවන් ළමයි. කීයද එන්නේ? 100 plus 900,000, 1,040 minus 50 and 120 තමයි කීයද එන්නේ? 870. 870 received amount in cash. Membership fee received amount in cash 870. Membership fee received amount in cash 870. 870. Right, ළමයි ඊට පස්සේ මෙතනින් මෙන්න income වලට transfer වෙනවා membership fee income. Membership fee income, normal members, normal members 900. Normal membership fee income 900. ළමයි මෙතනින් එන්නත් ඕනේ life membership fee. Life membership fee. තමයි මේක වැළුවොත් මෙන්න බලන්න. There are 10 life members. ළමයි lifetime members are 10 ඉන්නවා. 10. Lifetime members ළමයි 10 ඉන්නවා. 10 ඉන්නවා. right ළමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ opening balance as at, right ළමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ opening balance as at 1st April 2023. අපිට කියන්නේ මේ life members වලින් මෙයාලා කීයක් ගන්නවද කියලා අපිට පුත් කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක කියන්නේ. ළමයි අර lifetime members වලින් ගන්න මෙයාලා අපිට කියන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම උත් කියන්නේ නැහැ. නේද? lifetime members වලින් ළමයි මෙයාලා ගන්න අපිට කියන්නේ කීයක් ගත්තා කියලා අපි දන්නේ. දැන් මේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? 800 is opening balance. Opening balance 1st April 2023. තමයි they have recruited lifetime members on 1st April 2017. They have recruited lifetime members 1st April 2017. ළමයි 1st April 2017 මේ date එකේ තමයි lifetime members අපිට recruit කරන්නේ. මේ දිනේ ළමයි 1st April 23 opening balance එක තමයි මේ දිනේ. මේ දිනේ ළමයි 1st April 23 opening balance එක තියෙන්නේ. 800 කියලා කියන්නේ 1st April 23 opening balance. right ළමයි එතකොට right ළමයි අපිට උත්තර කියනවා it has been decided to recognize 10% from the above member subscription as annual income. Lifetime members වගේ ළමයි 10%. ඒ කියන්නේ 10% කියලා කියන්නේ ළමයි over 10 years. ළමයි 10% charge of income statement. From the lifetime membership fee income, 10% charge to profit and loss. 10% charge to income statement in each financial year. 10% charge करना. 10% charge to income statement in each financial year. 10%. ළමයි 10% means ළමයි 10 years. 10% කියන්නේ මොකද ළමයි? over 10 years. Over 10 years they charge lifetime membership fee income to income statement. Over 10 years. Over 10 years एक income statement charge करना ළමයි. over 10 years. over 10 years. right ළමයි මෙන්න බලන්න දැන් මෙන්න බලන්න. තමයි දැන් බලන්න මෙයාලා කොච්චර ටයිම් එකක් මෙයාලා කම්ප්ලීට් කරලාද කියලා බලන්න මේ 1st April 2017 to 1st April 2023. Now how many years? අවුරුදු කීයක් එයාලා මේනකොට ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවද? අවුරුදු කීයක් ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවද? 1st April to 1st April 17 to 1st April 23. 6 years. 6 years gone. How many 6 years? 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23. Now 6 years. Over 6 years, they have charged lifetime membership fee income to the income statement. Over 6 years. Okay, normally within 10 years, they charge lifetime membership fee income to the income statement over 10 years. But out of that 10 years, 6 years finish. 6 years gone. Now 6 years gone. 6 years you are right. And out of that 10 years, 6 years you are right. 6 years already. And the 6 years. The balance years, balance 4 years. And balance amount in the lifetime membership fee income. Balance amount in the lifetime membership fee income should be charged to income statement over 4 years. Or 4 years charge income statement. Balance 800. Balance 800. 800 divided by 4. 800 divided 200. 200. Out of that 800, 200 should be charged to income statement. 200 should be charged to income statement from the life membership fee. Life membership fee account debit, income statement credit. Income statement credit. Income statement credit. This 200 order should be transferred to income statement. 200. How much? 1,100. Amani's answer is correct. Amani's answer is correct. Right, when the membership fee, total members fee income 1,100. Total members fee income 1,100. Members fee received by cash. Members fee received by cash 870. Members fee received by cash 870. 870. Clear? Himansa clear? Himansa. Clear. Malaysia clear. Malaysia. Manu Tramika Ushana. Ushana gaya ne? Ushana missing. Manu clear. Himansa clear. Right. Himansa නෙමෙයි හිමස් හරයි ඉන්නේ. මම දැක්ක හිමස් හරයි. Right. Usman, okay, Usman, clear Usman.
Oh, sir.
Clear right hurry. Right. Sorry, now I ready. On the answer was 227. 227. Right, now a simple question. Question number 228. Sir, Janit Nadda.
I'll church and sir.
Church. Right, now I 228. 228. 228. Right, 228. Following information was extracted from Vayambataru Sports Club for the year ending 31st March 24. The accumulated fund as of 1st April 2024 of the Sports Club, right? Right, accumulated fund. Easy question. One of the easy question. Now easy question. How much accumulated fund? I got answer from Amani. Right. Now, how much the accumulated fund? How much? Available assets minus available liabilities. How much? Assets minus liabilities. How much? Yeah? Building of the sports club asset 127,500. 127,500 building assets. Furniture and sports equipment 51,950. 51,950 assets plus. Members fee received in advance liability minus 6,500. Accrued membership fee. Accrued membership fee means membership fee receivable lah. Accrued membership fee. Membership fee receivable. Then 10,500 plus. 10,500 plus. And then payable expenses liabilities minus 5,000. Stock at the juice bar 20,550 plus 20,550 plus assets. And then my cash in hand plus 4,600. Okay, then yes, 203,600. Right. My Amani's answer is correct. Amani. Here accumulated fund is 203,600. 203,600 accumulated fund. Accumulated fund. Okay, now capital of the business. Capital. Accumulated fund 203,600. 203,600. Right. Right. 203,600. Answer. Question number 228. Question number 228. Right. Now question number 229. Question number 229. Question number 229. 229. Not a term of section 24 of partnership ordinance. What's the answer? Not a term. Not a term of partnership ordinance. Right. What's the answer? I got one of the answer from Amani. What's the answer? Not a term. Not a term of partnership ordinance. Section 24. Love, what's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? Malaysia? Not a term, Malaysia. Malaysia, what's the answer? Malaysia. Right. Usman, Ramika, Manut, Himasara, what's the answer? Not a term. Now, please get the tute. Please get the tute. Kala na eka wesi hindi na. Amani try kala din tape eka. Okay, good na. Mula isang nagdaan pa lang ikin. 25. Tara, balon. Not a term. Lamay, minwan. Terms. Right, Lamai, section 24, partnership ordinance. Profit or losses of the partnership should be shared equally by partners. 24, interest on capital will not be allowed. Not allowed. Partners should equally contribute for the partnership capital. Fourth one, expenses that are paid by partners personally for the partnership should be refunded to them. Should be refunded to them. Fifth one, if partners have provided loans to the partnership beside their capital, they are allowed 5% annual interest. They are allowed 5% annual interest for loans. Sixth one, no salary. 7, every partner must participate in management activities. 8, any person cannot be admitted as a partner without the consent of existing partners. Okay, without permission of others, a partner cannot admit new partner. No interest is charged on drawings. No interest on drawings. And the accounting book should be kept in the head office of the partnership. Right, now my question number 229. Question number 229. Right, now what's the answer? Not a term. What's the answer? Now what's the answer again? Huh? What's the answer? Now my second one is answer. Second one. Partners are entitled to an annual interest of 5% for the capital. Arglama section 24 name, no interest on capital. Right, now make not a term, not a term. No interest on capital. Okay, ne? Clear? Clear ne? Right, ne? Right. Right, Lamai. Question number 230. Question number 230. What's the answer? Akila Kokila. Lamai, what's the answer? 230. A partnership business was commenced by Akila and Kokila on 1st April 23 by investing 600,000 and 300,000 respectively. Right. Total capital. Profit and losses sharing ratio 3:2. Each partner is entitled to an annual interest of 10% for the capital balance and monthly salary for 8,000. Net profit earned during the year 31st March 24 is 362,000. The current account balances as of 31st March 24. Right, my current account balances of Akila and Kokila. Right, what are the current account balances? Akila and Kokila. Now my question out 230. What's the answer? 230. Right. I got an answer from Amani. Now what's the answer? ඉතින් Amani විතරයි answer සෙවන්න වෙන එකෙක්වත් paper එක කරලා නැහැ වගේ. හරිනේ හොඳයි. හොඳ result එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි ලක් එක නේ ඔයලා මම යමු. මාර වසනක් කරලා දින්නේ නේ සීනේදී. right ළමයි මොකක්ද ඉන්නේ answer එක? answer එක ආවේ Amani කිව්ව විතරයි. what's the answer? right ළමයි what's the answer? what's the answer? Two 230. मैं तो कवरेज कर लेने Amani की विතරයි answers ආවේ. मैं कवरेज कर लेने question එක නෑනේ 230. Usman की answer කරවා. right ළමයි අනිත් එක කොහොමද? 230. 230 what's the answer? 230. right what's the answer? කොහොමද ඉන්නේ answer එක? 230. My current account balance. A simple question. Akila Kokila. Akila Kogila current account. Current account. Akila Kogila. Akila Kogila. A partnership business was commenced by Akila and Kogila for April 23 by investing 600,000, 300,000 respectively. Okay, and then profit and losses share ratio 3:2. Each partner is entitled to an interest of 10% for the capital balances. Right, Lamai? Interest on capital. Interest on capital 10%. 60,000 and 30,000. 60,000 and 30,000. And then profit and losses share ratio 3:2. Each partner is entitled to an annual interest of 10% for the capital balances and monthly salary 8,000. Now monthly salary. Monthly salary 8,000. Monthly salary 8,000. Then 8,000 multiplied by 12. Then 8,000 multiplied by 12. Annual salary 96,000. 96,000. Annual salary. And then total profit of the partnership business. Total profit of the partnership business 362. 362. Total profit of the partnership business 362. Total profit. Total profit of how much? 362. 362. Tell me. Right then. Total interest. Total interest how much? 60,000 plus 30,000, 90,000 minus. And then total salary 90,000 plus 90,000 how much? Total salary 192. 192. 190. Tell me 362 minus 362 minus 90 and 192 80,000. 80,000. 80,000. 80,000 distributable profit. We can distribute this profit 80,000. Then 80,000 divided by 5 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Right, come on. 80,000 divided by 5 into 3. How much? 48,000. 48,000 and 48,000 and 32,000. Right, the line. Total amount. Total current account balance of Akila 60,000 plus 96,000 plus 48,000 204,000. 204,000. Kokila 30,000 plus 96,000 plus 32,000. Kokila 158,000. Kokila 158,000. Kokila. Yes. Right now, Akila closing balance 204,000. Kokila closing balance 158,000. 158,000. Okay, then done. Right. Right now, question number 231. Which we'll discuss. 231. 231. Question number 231. Okay, Damai. 230 okay, then 230. Usman, right there. Ramika. Ramika, the answers what how do Ramika given? मैं WhatsApp पर डालने पर Ramika दम मिला है नहीं कर रहा हाँ Ramika वो हाँ WhatsApp पे के बड़ी बड़े ने Ramika मैं MCQ को मैं कर रहा मैं Zoom में कर रहा नहीं तो लेसी सांग Ramika हाँ आंसर सही लगे ना मैं अगर हम बलन नहीं आ रहा Zoom में कितना टक्कर आंसर्स बलन Zoom की होस्ट दाने तो लेसी Right, number 231. Quick, we will discuss 231. 231. Right. 231. Indicate whether the following statement related to financial accounting in a firm true or false. Financial accounting, not related to financial accounting, true or false. Right. Now, first one. It provides historical information. True or false? I need quick answers. I need quick answers. It provides Yes, yes, yes. Samai, it provides historical information. True, true. Yes. Second one, Ramika correct, Amani correct, right? Second one, it provides information only to the internal parties. True or false? True or false? Yes, Samika correct. Ramika correct. Yes, Samai, that is false. B false. B false. B false. Right, Lamai C. C. It provides information prescribed in accounting standards. True or false? True or false? It provides information prescribed in accounting standards. True or false? True or false? Yes, Lamai. Yes, that is true. That is true. Yes, Ramika correct. Am I correct? Like Lamai, when you prepare financial statements, you need to follow financial standards. By following accounting standards, you need to do financial statements. You need to prepare financial statements. That is true. D. It is not a legal requirement for companies. True or false? Lamai, D. True or false? D. D true or false? Yes, yes. Am I D false? D false. D false. It is not a legal requirement. No. For a company, it is a legal requirement. Every company must prepare financial statements. According to Companies Act number 7 of 2007. Every company, right? Lamai? 232. An easy question. 232. State the equity of the business would increase, decrease, or no change in each of the following situations. In each of the following situation, owner withdrawing for his personal usage, equity increase or decrease? Come because of drawings, equity, yes, decrease, decrease. B, owner settling an expense of the business by his personal money. Lamai B, increase, decrease or no change? B. B, increase, decrease or no change? B. Owner settling an expense of the business by his personal money. Lamai, no change, no change, no change. Lamai. Owner settling his expense of the business of a settling an expense of the business by his personal money. No change. Now no change. Equity increase and again equity decrease. No change. Now I see purchasing office equipment for the administrative purpose. Increase, decrease or no change. Increase, decrease or no change. Yes, Amani correct. Amani correct. No change. No change. D. Owner settling. Owner settling a creditor of a business by his personal money. D. Increase or decrease or no change. D. Owner settling a creditor of a business by his personal money. D. D. Yes, yes, Usman correct. Increase, increase, increase. Namai owner settling a creditor. What the name? Introduction of additional capital. Equity plus 50,000, liability minus 50,000. Increase, equity increase. Yes, Amani correct. Equity increase. Right. Another simple question. Another simple question. Question number 233. 233. Right, Amai, step by step, we are moving to complex questions. Now, grade 13 questions and complex questions. Right? These questions are for the revision knowledge. Revision knowledge. Okay. Right. Revision basic knowledge. Right. Lamai 233. A stock which the cost was 50,000 was sold for 80,000 on credit basis, while a debtor balance of 10,000 was set off with the creditor balance. Right. Write the net effect on the above transaction to assets, liability, and the equity. Net effect. Lamai, what's the net effect? Net effect. What's the net effect? Question number 233. Lamai, question number 233. What's the answer? Question number 233. Lamai, what's the answer? 233. A morning increase by right. Right. What is the answer? Ramai? Assets of the business organization equal to equity and liability. Right. A stock which cost 50,000 was sold for 80,000 on credit basis. Right. Ramai? 50,000 stock. Asset decreased by 50,000. Debtors increased by 80,000. Equity increased by 30,000. And then on the basis while the debtor balance of 10,000 was set off with the creditor balance. Right. Debtors decreased by 10,000. Liability decreased by 10,000. Data decreased by 10,000. Liability decreased by 10,000. Net impact to account in equation. Net impact. What's the net impact? Net impact. Asset. Yes. Asset increased by 20,000. Right. Equity increased by 30,000. Liability decreased by. Liability decreased by 10,000. Liability decreased by 10,000. Okay, Laman. Clear? Laman, clear? Yes, yes, correct, Laman. Laman, asset increased by 20,000. Liability decreased by 10,000. Liability decreased by 10,000. Liability decreased by 10,000. And then Laman. Equity increased by 30,000. Okay, next, correct. Clear. Okay, next. Right, next, right. Right, Laman. 234. 234. Right. Another simple question. Write the source document applicable for to following transaction. Source document. Owner investing furniture worth of 50,000 as capital. Lamai, what's the source document? Source document of this transaction. Source document is what? Owner invested 50,000 worth of furniture to the business. Lamai, what's the source document? What's the source document? Huh? Yes, general voucher. General voucher. Second one, purchasing a stock for 180,000 for the purpose of resale on credit basis. Lamai, what's the answer? Yes, purchase invoice. Yes, correct. C. Receiving 5,000 for written off bad debts in the previous year. Now, what's the source of given? What's the source of given now? Receiving 5,000 for written off bad debts in the previous year. Amani. Received cash. Amani received cash. Receiving 5,000, then receipt. Amani, receipt. Received cash in the cash receipt journal. In the cash receipt journal, under the here receiving 5,000. Yes, in the receipt journal, we need to record this one. In the receipt journal. Received 5,000 written off bad debts in the previous year. Yes. Cash receipt journal.
Sir,
Cash receipt journal. Yes. Huh?
පළවෙනි එකට මොනවද සෙන්නේ?
Owner invested furniture. Journal voucher. Journal voucher. Okay. Clear? Clear. Okay. Right. Now D. Returning some goods worth of 50,000 to creditors. Source of given. Returning some right. Now purchase return source of given. Source document illane. Returning some goods worth of 50,000 creditors. Yes. Now debit note. Debit note and debit note. Debit note. Huh? Okay. Debit note. Clear there? Okay. Fine. Now bad debts recovery එක අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් other sorry income line එකට ගන්න පුළුවන් නා income එක ගන්න පුළුවන් bad debts recovery income bad debts recovery නේද recovery of bad debts written off previous year නේද bad debts recovery account credit income account credit income column එකට ගන්න පුළුවන් අපිට receipt කියවන්න දෙන්න right 235 right I need quick answers. The balance of the cash control account as of 31st March 24 of Lahiro business is 880,000 and it was agreed with the balance as per the bank statement. Following were revealed later. Right, now 235 what's answer? 235. 235 what's answer? Right. Standing order payment 15,000. Deposited but dishonest check 30,000. Not being recorded in the cash control account. Second bullet, therefore 75,000. Calculate the balance of the balance as per the cash control account should be shown in the statement of financial position. Second one, calculate the balance as per the bank statement. A simple question. What's the answer? All right, question number 235. Direct reconciliation. Question number 235. Direct reconciliation. What's the answer? Yes, I got one of the answer from Amani. Right, Laman. Question number 235. Yes. Okay, Amani. Right. 235. Adjusted cash control account. Adjusted cash control account. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Right, Laman. Balance as per adjusted cash book. Balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. How to get the answer? Opening cash balance 180,000. Opening cash balance 180,000. Opening cash balance. Standing order payment 15,000. Standing order payment adjusted cash book credit 15,000. Standing order payment. Deposited but dishonest check 30,000. Deposited and dishonest check credit 30,000. Deposited and dishonest check 30,000 credit. Not be recorded, right? And the line, they were deposited but not realized checks. Unrealized checks 40,000 minus. And the line, unpresented check 75,000 plus. Then adjusted cash book balance how much? 180,000 minus 15,000 and 30,000. Adjusted cash control account 135. Statement of financial position. Statement of financial position.
Sir,
Yes.
dishonored check 30,000 debit side lane.
Like credit deposited but dishonest check. Deposited check but dishonest.
Hari sir.
Okay, this one. Ara vakyame issued and dishonest check. Issued check but dishonest. Okay, this one. Okay, right? එළමයි statement of financial position මේකේ record කරන්නේ 135,000. yes so if 135,000 right නේද එළමයි balance transfer bank statement how much balance transfer bank statement 135,000 plus 75 minus 1 minus 40 135,000 minus 75 minus 40 how much 20,000 20,000 135,000 plus 75,000 minus 40 170 170 170 170 yes right 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 තමයි recordings බලන කට්ටිය අද ඉබලන ඉන්නේ ඔක්කොම අනිත් කට්ටිය නෑනේ process ඊට පස්සේ church යන සමාන සෙට් එකක් ඒ වගේ දේවල් හින්දා නැති ඒකට තමයි යාලා අනිවාර්යෙන් බලලා මේ ඩවුට්ස් ඉන වහන්න මේක ලොකු ඩවුට්ස් එකක් නෑ මේක සිම්පල් පේපර් එකක් නිකන් යා ඔබ මේකේ පේපර් 9 වල වෙනකන් ක්ලාස් වල ඩිස්කස් කරලා තියෙන්නේ බැලන්ස් පාර්ට් එක ඉස්සරහ දිගටම මේ ටික ඔන්ලයින් තමයි යන්නේ ඩවුට්ස් ඉන ඔක්කොම ක්ලාස් එකේදී ක්ලියර් කරගන්න නැත්නම් මෙසේජ් එකක් දාන්න ක්ලියර් දෙන්න ඕන විදියට කොහොමද ගමන්නේ කොට දාගන්න ඉච්චර හරි 235 ඕකේ ළමයි 236 right ළමයි go to 236 another simple question දැන් මේ ටික කරන්නේ ඔයාලා කියන බේසික් knowledge එක අප්ඩේට් වෙනවා මතක නැහැ නැත්තම් chapter 1 2 3 4 5 6 වල තියෙනවා මතක නැහැ ගොඩක් ළමයි ඒකයි මේක කරන්නේ මේ බේසික් විතර advance වෙන්න එකයි දැන් advance question වලට යන තව time තියෙනවා මේ යනත් ටික ටික අපි second term test third term එහෙමම grade 13 first term එහෙම ටික ටික step by step යනවා right දැන් අතරේ past papers question එහෙම තියෙනවා මේ අතරේ සමහර papers තියෙන්නේ past papers තා එහෙමත් තියෙනවා right හරි ළමයි 236 කොහොමද ඉන්නේ answer එක 236 state two possible items which are not adjusted in cash control account when the balance as per the cash control account is not agreed with the balance as per the bank statement right simple unrealized check unpresented checks unrealized check unpresented check right right lamai question number 237 question number 237 calculate the value of net assets of Shanaka traders as at 1st April 23 by using following information right lamai opening net assets how much the opening net assets of this business how much I got one answer from Ramika. Opening net assets of the business. Closing net assets 850,000. Closing net assets. Backward calculation. Now how much? 850,000 minus 250. 850 minus 250. Backward calculation. Cash drawings plus 100. Again plus 25. Now how much? Yes. 725,000. 725,000. Backward calculation or backward? 725,000. Malaysia clear. Malaysia 725,000 clear. Malaysia. Backward calculation. Ramika. Ramika backward. Oh, මේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම Ramika cash drawings and stock drawings. මේ දෙකම add වෙන්න ඕනේ. drawings and total drawings 125,000. 850,000 minus 250,000 minus 250,000 plus 125,000. Right now, lamai 725,000. Right. Question number 238. Right. 238. A sales invoice for 42,000 has been recorded in the sales journal as 24,000. It has been posted to general ledger as same. Write the journal entry to rectify the above error. A sales invoice has been recorded in the sales journal as 24,000. Correction entry. What's a correction entry? Sales invoice has been recorded in the sales journal as 24,000. 24,000. Then correction entry. My correction entry කොහොමද එන්නේ එකේ? correction entry කොහොමද එන්නේ? The difference is how much? 42,000 minus 24,000. How much difference? 18,000. 18,000. කොහොමද එන්නේ? Debtor control account debit 18,000. Sales account credit 18,000. Debtor control account debit. Sales account credit 18,000. Debtor control account debit. Sales account credit. Okay, lamai. Okay, then. Debtor control account debit වෙනවා 80,000. Sales account credit 18,000. Right. If this is not rectified, state the effect to the profit, whether it is increase, decrease, or not change. What's the impact to the profit? If this is not rectified, if this error is not corrected, what will happen to the profit? What will happen to the profit? Lamai profit එක මොනවද දෙන්නේ? Profit කොහොමද lamai profit එක? Profit Amani? No. Profit decreased by 18,000. මේ error එක කරේ මේ error එක lamai correct කරේ නැත්නම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Profit එක lamai decrease වෙනවා 18,000. If the business fail to rectify this error, what will happen? Their profit will decrease by 18,000. Decrease by 18,000. Clear? Amani clear? Usman clear?
Oh, sir.
Malaysia clear? Pramika clear? Clear, right? Right. Question number 239. 239. R11 state the accounting concept which has been violated. Violated accounting concept. What's the answer? An advance received for the service should be provided for the next year, considered as income. Advance received amount has been recorded as income. Lamai violated accounting concept. What's the answer? Violated accounting concept. What's the answer? No money. For income, the relevant accounting concept is what? Realization concept. Without realizing an income, they have charged to profit and loss. Without realizing an income, they have charged income to the profit and loss. Without passing risk and reward. Without passing risk and reward, they have charged an income to the profit and loss. What's the answer? Realization concept. Income का realize करने खाली यार income statement में charge करना. Realization concept. Realization concept. B. Not categorizing asset as current and non-current in the statement of financial position. Lamai B. What's the answer? B. B. Yes, correct. Going concern concept. Yes, going concern concept. Right, Usman, right, Hari, right. C, an asset which is acquired on leasing is not recognized as an asset. What's the answer? What's the answer, Lamai? Yes, substance over form concept. Yes, right. Lamai, substance over form concept. Right, correct. D, not recording owner's cash drawings. What's the answer? D, not recording owner's cash drawings. Yes, Lamai, entity concept. Entity concept. They have not recorded owner's cash drawings. He is the owner. But in accounting, we need to consider owner as a separate person from the business. Then all the transactions conducted with the owner need to be recorded in financial statement. Now, entity concept. Violated concept is entity concept. Business entity concept. Right. Another simple question. Lamai 240. The following information relates to Harsha business for the year ending 31st March 2024, which is registered for value-added tax. All the sales and purchase are on cash basis. Following information relates to Harsha business for the year ending 31st March 24, which is registered for value-added tax. All the sales and purchases are on cash basis. Now my opening balance 300, cash added on sales 5,000, cash paid on purchases 1,300, cash paid to Inland Revenue Department 3,400. Calculate the VAT liability as of 31st March 24. Lamai ini VAT account එක තියෙන VAT account. VAT account. VAT account. Closing cash balance. Sorry, closing VAT liability. How much? VAT account එක මේ තියෙනවා. VAT account. Lamai. Closing VAT balance how much? Closing balance of the VAT account how much? Another simple question. 240. Question number 240. What's the answer? VAT control account, opening balance 300. Cash added on sales. Some output at 5,000. Output at 5,000. Cash paid on purchases. Some input at 1,300. Input at. Cash paid to Inland Revenue Department. They have paid to Inland Revenue Department 3,400. Cash book credit, VAT account debit. Closing balance. Closing balance how much? Easy. Closing balance how much? 5,300 minus 1,300 then 2,400. My closing balance 600. Closing balance 600. Closing balance how much? 600 rupees. Closing balance 600 rupees. Right, closing balance 600 rupees. Right, closing balance how much? 600 rupees. Right, right. Right. අද උඩ තමයි church එකයි සීනේ තියෙන්නේ. අපි ක්ලාස් එක යනවා මොකද රෙකෝඩින් එක ළමයි හැමෝම බලනවා. දැන් ක්ලාස් එක නෝමල් එකේ යනවා. මොකද මේක යනවා මොකද නැත්තම් බෑ. මිස්ටේක් වලට ටයිම් එක ඇඩ්ජස්ට් කරගත්තේ නැතොත්. හරි ළමයි 240 okay right ළමයි ටග්ගල බලමු question number 241. 241. Categorize following cost items as manufacturing and non-manufacturing. Lamai manufacturing cost or non-manufacturing cost. Right. First one. The storage cost of finished goods. Lamai manufacturing or non-manufacturing. Yes, non-manufacturing. Yes, correct. Namika correct, Kamani correct. Second one, carriage inward cost of raw material, carriage inward. Yes. Yes, manufacturing cost. Carriage inward cost of manufacturing cost. Right, next one, damage of raw material stock. Namai stock damages. Stock damages samai non-manufacturing cost. Stock damages non-manufacturing. Right. Paid salaries for office staff. Namai non-manufacturing cost. Non-manufacturing cost. Okay, now wastages are there. Wastage, how to get the wastage? As manufacturing or non-manufacturing. Now, normal wastage, non-manufacturing. Sorry, normal wastage, manufacturing expenses. Abnormal wastage, non-manufacturing expenses. Now, normal wastage का भी manufacturing cost ऐड करना हुआ. Abnormal wastages अभी non-manufacturing है. ये मैं सीधे को देना. ये मैं ना पुला में question. Wastage वाली okay, right. 242 state two major elements of manufacturing cost. Simple. State two major elements of manufacturing cost. Prime cost and overhead cost. Yes, Aman. Yes, coming to correct. Prime cost and factory overhead cost. Or overhead cost. Factory overhead cost. Or manufacturing overhead cost. Okay, prime cost and overhead cost. Right. Right. Question number 243. What's the answer? 243. Question number 243. Following relevant to drama played by Commerce Society of a school. Drama calculate the surplus or deficit. Right? Drama income and expenses income received by the cash. Income received by cash from selling tickets. 170 income. 170 income. Receivable income from ticket. That 30 also income. Income in received amount and receivable amount income. Fees for trophy. 50 minus expenses. Fee for trophy, right? 50 expenses. Payable rent for the whole. 30 expense. 30 expense. Tickets printing expenses. 20 expense. Pay expense. 100 rupees. 100 rupees. 100,000 rupees. 100,000 rupees surplus. Yes, Amani correct. Ramika correct. Ramika correct. Right. Question number 244. 244. State two differences between an income statement and cash and receipt and payment account. State two differences between income statement and receipt and payment account of a non-profit organization. Now, two differences. No, they are income statement. Income statement prepare on accrual basis and yes, income statement prepare on accrual basis and receipt and payment account prepare on cash basis. Receipt and payment account prepare on cash basis. In the income statement, in income statement we record only income and expenses. But in the receipt and payment account, we record all the cash inflows and all the cash outflows. All the cash inflows and all the cash outflows. Through income statement, we can calculate surplus. But from the receipt and payment account, we can calculate available cash balance. Available cash balance. My simple answer. Right. 245. State similarity and dissimilarity between profit and loss statement of a profit motive organization and income statement of a non-profit organization. Similarity and similar feature. One of the similar feature profit and loss statement and income statement. Similar feature and dissimilar feature. Sorry. Equalities. Similar features and neither. Right. Dissimilarities. Similar features. Similar features. Main elements are income and expense. Yes, okay, right. ये मैं कर बोला prepare on accrual basis. Income statement also prepare on accrual basis. Similar features. Similarity. Prepare on accrual basis. Accrual basis preparing. Accrual basis. Okay, accrual basis. Right, lamai. Ira say dissimilarity මොකක්ද දෙන්න lamai. Dissimilar feature. Dissimilarity මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ answer එක? Calculate profit or loss from income statement. Calculate surplus or deficit. lamai. Dissimilar feature. One of the difference is profit and loss statement calculate profit or loss. But income statement of non-profit organization calculate what? Calculate surplus or deficit. Right. Lamai 246 වලට යන්න බලන්න. State two main characteristics should be there in a partnership business. lamai two characters of partnership business. lamai two characters මොනවද ගන්න පුළුවන්? Of a partnership business. Yes, minimum 2 members to yes, minimum 2, maximum 20. Right. අපිට මෙහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. Having 2 or more persons. Right. Having 2 or more persons, one character, another character. Objective is to earn profit. Having 2 or more persons. Second objective to earn profit. Having a business activity. Having 2 or more persons. Objective is to earn profit. Second one. Third one. Having a business activity. Right. Right. Now, 247 state 2 instances that the profit and loss sharing ratio of a partnership can be changed. Now, situations that can be changed a partnership profit sharing ratio. Right, profit sharing ratio කරනවා change කරන්න පුළුවන් situations වල නම්. අමික හරි. Yes, when admitting a new partner, when retiring an existing partner. ළමයි කි කරලා තව වෙනවා. When changing ownership, when selling the business to someone else. ළමයි මෙන්න බලන්න මේ මම දාලා තිනවා වගේ අපේ දාගන්නේ. Yes, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner. Oh, ये तुम्हारा ही करनी है, ये तुम्हारा करनी है. So done here. Right. ළමයි question number 148 බලන්න 248 බලන්න question number 248 state two differences between the partners current account and partners capital account. ළමයි two differences between capital account and current account. Right, ළමයි මොනවද දෙන්නේ? Two differences between current account and capital account. two differences between our capital account and current account. Kuna dekna my answers. Kuma dekna. Right, in the capital account we record. In the capital account under capital you can write down record fixed equity transactions. In the capital account write down record fixed equity. Now fixed equity is our record term. Record fixed equity transaction. Right, now in the current account record short-term equity transactions or record short-term equity changes. Record short-term equity changes. Record short-term equity changes. Capital account my second one. Second one capital account normally shows a credit balance. Normally shows a credit balance. තමයි capital account එකේ සාමාන්‍ය credit balance එක තමයි හැම වෙලාවෙම තියෙන්නේ. Normally shows a credit balance. But in current account write down there's a debit balance or credit balance. There's a debit balance or credit balance. Credit balance. There's a debit balance or credit balance. There's a debit balance or credit balance. Lamai, another one for the capital account, you can write down right. Usually there is a fixed balance. Normally there's a fixed balance. Normally there's a fixed balance. For current account, write down balances are subject to changes. Balances are subject to changes. Balances are subject to changes.
So capital account එකේ third day මොනවාද?
Usually there is a fixed balance නේ. Usually there is a fixed balance. Usually there is a fixed balance. Current account වල එන්නෝනේ. But the balances are subject to change නේ. Right, ළමයි 249 බලන්න. Sumudhu and Kumudu are the partners sharing profit and losses 3-2. Right. Pubudu was admitted as a new partner and new profit share ratio 6-3-3. And his share of goodwill is 60,000. Calculate the total goodwill. Lamai, total goodwill amount how much? Total goodwill balance how much? Total goodwill balance how much? Sumudhu and Kumudu conducting partnership business. Pubudu admitted as a new partner. His share of capital goodwill is 60,000. Calculate the total goodwill. Lamai, how much total goodwill? How much total goodwill? 249. 249. Last two questions. 249. Last two questions. Now what is the answer? 249. Sumudu and Kumudu. New partner Pubudu. 3-2. Provisional ratio 6-3-3. Alright, Pubudu's share the goodwill how much? 60,000. 60,000. Then 60,000 divided by 3, multiplied by 12, multiplied by 12. His share of goodwill 60,000, then 60,000 share of the profit 3, then 6,000 divided by 3, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 6 plus 3 plus 3. How much? How much? 60,000 divided by 3, multiplied by 12. Is it right? 204,000. Yes, 204,000. 204,000. Yes, Amani answer is correct, Amani. 240,000. ළමයි පුබුදුගේ goodwill එකේ part එකේ ඉන්නේ 60,000. එතකොට new provisional ratio ඉන්නේ 633. එතකොට 60,000 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. ළමයි ගන්න තියෙන answer. right ළමයි 250. Question number 250. Write the term in section 42 of the partnership order. ළමයි partnership audience එකේ section 42 වල මොකද කියන්නේ? If one of the partner retires from the partnership business, okay, for the payable balance, and if the business does not pay the amount, if the business organization does not pay the amount relevant to the retiring partner, leaving partner, then until that amount settle, the partnership organization need to pay minimum 5% interest. Until the payable balance, the business organization need to pay annual 5%. Dies or retire, 42 wala here. If a partner dies or retire, for the balance payable, they need to pay how much? Annual 5% interest. Section 42. Section 42. According to the section 42 of the partnership ordinance, when a partner retires, leaves or dies, unless his settlement is paid on the same day, he is entitled to receive a minimum 5% annual interest from that day until the date of payment. He is entitled to receive minimum 5% annual interest from that day until the date of payment. Okay, section 42. Section 42. Now, maybe section 24. Maybe section 24. Section 42. Section 42. Okay, based on the balance payable amount, the business need to pay 5% minimum annual interest. Section 42. Page number 4 partnership. Page number 4 partnership. Right, enough for the day. Now we discuss from question number 226 to 250. We'll discuss next paper next Sunday. I will give you printed copies in this week. Of the paper 11 and paper 12. Okay, right. Come enough for the day. We'll meet again next Sunday. Okay, right. Come on. Have a nice day. We have all of us at the Humble. Right. Doubts in our class again. Right, one in okay, right.
Thank you, sir.